The Hebrew Bible titles this book Shemot, meaning names. In Genesis chapter 2, verse 19, newly created man is given the task of assigning names to his surroundings. The second scroll of the Torah focuses on the revelation of these names: God, Moses, the Promised Land, which holds the mystery of salvation history. This truth is accessible to those who venture beyond their own understanding and listen deeply to the Lord. Moses serves as a perfect example of this experience, discovering his deepest identity through his face-to-face encounter with God, who appears to him in a bush, and in the sharing of this experience with his own people. The Lord, who frees him from the thorns of his personal history, appoints him as a leader to guide the people from slavery to freedom, from Egypt to the Promised Land. As the journey unfolds, the 10 plagues intended to soften Pharaoh's hostile heart are met with 10 signs of God's active presence. God offers statutes and laws. The statute to nurture, educate, and guide their children, alongside a law calling for humble faith in their creative Father. The 10 words, then, serve as a guiding compass. If the liberation from Egypt signifies an act of courtship between God and Israel, then the giving of the 10 words represents the written covenant sealing their marriage. The 3 siblings, Moses, Aaron, and Miriam, serve as wedding witnesses, foreshadowing the triple charism that is royal, priestly, and prophetic, that will unite the 12 tribes into a single nation whose identity is shaped by the covenant.